How to cancel Spotify Premium. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel your Spotify Premium plan. Now to do so is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you want to do is open up the Spotify app here and head into the premium option that you can find at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you have any plans here, you'll be able to see, and I don't have any, but I'll show you quickly how you can cancel it. What you'll need to do is head into your browser here, and on browser head into spotify.com. Now here you'll be headed into Spotify login browser here. Now what you want to do is log into your account right here. I'll just continue with Google since my account is connected with the Google account here. If you are connected on Spotify with Google, you can try the similar way. Now what you want to do is head into settings here and then head into premium option, or you can simply head into premium option, and what you want to do is tap on view plans. Now if you have further plans, you'll get the view plans option, and once you open it, you'll get the plans that you have subscribed right there on the screen. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, what you need to do is scroll all the way down below, and at the bottom of the screen you'll find the option to cancel plan. Simply tap on cancel plan and you'll be able to cancel your Spotify Premium. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.